Alright, boys and girls, welcome back to the drive-through. Here's some help with composite functions. Let's do 13, let's do 16, let's do 23 and 24, okay? 13. It helps if you can say this out loud. This is f of j of 3. So you start with j of 3, okay? What does j of 3 equals? Well, I'm going to take out the x from the j, and I'm going to put in a 3 right there. So it's 5 minus 3. So j of 3 is 2. So what is f of j of 3? Well, j of 3 is 2. It's just like a big substitution thing. So now we do f of j of 3, but j of 3 is 2. So what's f of 2? Well, I find that by taking 2 and plugging it in there. So it's negative 3 times 2 plus 2. So it's negative 6 plus 2, and that's negative 4. Okay? For number 16, that is g of f of a. G of f of a. Okay, we can't do g of f of a until we find out what f of a is. So this just gets weird, but just substitute it. So we're going to take the a and put it in for x in the f function. So f of a is 5 minus a. Okay, I literally just took out the x and put it at a. I know that sounds crazy or silly, but so what is g of f of a? Well, that is g of 5 minus a. So I'm going to take out the x and put in whatever is in the parentheses. So that's negative 3 times, okay, 5 minus a now. And then plus 2. And so you get negative 15 plus 3a plus 2. And you end up getting 3a minus 13 would be how I write that. Or negative 13 plus 3a would work too. All right, as we move down, now let's look at just different notation for 23. That is g of f of x. Well, what's f of x? F of x is negative 3x plus 2. So they want g of f of x. So they want g of negative 3x plus 2. So I'm going to go to the g function and put whatever's in parentheses in for x inside of the g function. So g of x, g of x is x over 5. Is that what that said? Okay, so g of 3x plus 2, is negative 3x plus 2 over 5. I literally just took out the x and put in whatever was in our parentheses. So this is your answer right here. And finally, f of g of 1. Change to black. Come on. This is 24. F of g of 1. What's g of 1? G of 1 is 1 over 5. So they want f of 1 over 5. F of x is negative 3x plus 2. So it's negative 3 times 1/5 plus 2. which is, I don't know, let's see, negative 3/5 plus 2, so it's 2 minus 3/5. So I usually would write that as 1 2/5, or 7/5, or 1.4, all the same thing. Hope this helps. Boom!